Today's lesson takes place at the local market. We'll follow Arben as he goes to buy fruits, vegetables, and some traditional Albanian products. Let's listen to his conversation with the vendors at the market. At the entrance, "Përshëndetje, sa bukur duket tregu sot." "Përshëndetje. Po, është ditë e mirë për pazar. Çfarë dëshironi?" "Dua disa perime të freskëta, nëse keni." "Sigurisht. Kemi domate, kastravec, qep dhe speca të kuq." "Përshëndetje. Hello. Sa bukur duket tregu sot. The market looks beautiful today." "Përshëndetje. Po, është ditë e mirë për pazar." "Hello. Yes, it's a good day for shopping." "Çfarë dëshironi? What would you like?" "Dua disa perime të freskëta, nëse keni." "I'd like some fresh vegetables, if you have." "Sigurisht, of course. Kemi domate, kastravec, qep dhe speca të kuq. We have tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and red peppers." "Sa kushtojnë domatet?" 120 lek kilja, or kilogram. Janë nga fshati. We generally use kile, it's more of a slang, and it's just short for kilogram, like you say in English kilo or kilos instead of kilogram, kilograms. "Sa kushtojnë domatet?" 120 lek kilja. Janë nga fshati. "Mirë, më jep 2 kile, ju lutem." "Po, me një herë." "Po kastravec doni?" "Po, disa." "Sa kushtojnë?" "Sa kushtojnë domatet?" How much are the tomatoes? 120 lek kilja. 120 lek per kilogram. Janë nga fshati. They're from the village. "Mirë, më jep 2 kile, ju lutem." "All right, give me 2 kilograms, please." "Po, me një herë." "Sure, or yes, right away." "Po kastraveca doni?" Would you like some cucumbers also? Or literally, what about cucumbers? Would you like? "Po, disa." Yes, a few. "Sa kushtojnë?" How much are they? 80 lek kilja. Merr 2 kile edhe prej atyre. "Po, ja ku janë." "Ndonjë gjë tjetër?" "Po, më duhen edhe disa patate dhe qep." "Patatet janë shumë të mira sot. Vetëm 70 lek për kilogram." "Vendos 3 kilogram, ju lutem." 80 lek kilja, 80 lek per kilogram, the cucumbers. "Merr 2 kile edhe prej atyre." Take 2 kilos of those as well. Because keep in mind, in the Albanian markets, the vendor is the one putting the fruits and the vegetables in the bags. That's why we say to the vendor, take that and take this. "Po, ja ku janë. Ndonjë gjë tjetër?" Yes, here they are. "Anything else?" "Po, më duhen edhe disa patate dhe qep." Yes, I also need some potatoes and onions. "Patatet janë shumë të mira sot. Vetëm 70 lek per kilogram." The potatoes are very good today. Only 70 lek per kilogram. "Vendos 3 kilogram, ju lutem." Put 3 kilograms, please. Now buying fruits with the second vendor. "Përshëndetje. Frutat janë shumë të freskëta sot." "Shumë mirë. Çfarë më rekomandoni?" "Kemi moll të kuqe, portokale, banane edhe fiq të ëmbël." "Më pëlqejnë shumë fiqt. Sa kushtojnë?" 200 lek kilja. Janë shumë të mira. "Përshëndetje. Frutat janë shumë të freskëta sot." "Hello. The fruits are very fresh today." "Shumë mirë. Great. Çfarë më rekomandoni?" What do you recommend to me? "Kemi moll të kuqe, portokale, banane edhe fiq të ëmbël." We have red apples, oranges, bananas and sweet figs. "Më pëlqejnë shumë fiqt. I love figs." "Sa kushtojnë?" How much are they? Or how much do they cost, literally? 200 lek kilja, janë shumë të mira. 200 lek per kilogram, they're very good. Mirë, më jep 1 kilogram fiq dhe 2 kilogram moll. Patjetër, ja ku janë. Doni edhe ndonjë lëng natyral? Po, pse jo? Sa kushton një shishe? 150 lek. Është me lëng molle shtëpie. Më jepni një, ju lutem. Mirë, më jep 1 kilogram fiq dhe 2 kilogram moll. All right, give me 1 kilogram of figs and 2 kilograms of apples. Patjetër, of course. Ja ku janë. Here you go. Doni edhe ndonjë lëng natyral? Would you like some natural juice too? Po, pse jo? Yeah, why not? Sa kushton një shishe? How much for one bottle? 150 lek. 150 lek. Është me lëng molle shtëpie. It's homemade apple juice. Më jepni një, ju lutem. Give me one, please. Now Arben is ready to pay and leave. Sa bëjnë gjithsej? Bëjnë 1050 lek. Ja ku i keni. Faleminderit shumë. Faleminderit juve. Ju bëfshin mirë. Faleminderit. Ditë të mbar. Sa bëjnë gjithsej? How much is it all together? Literally, how much do they make together? Bëjnë 1050 lek. That's 1050 lek. Ja ku i keni. Here you go. Literally, here you have it. Faleminderit shumë. Thank you very much. Faleminderit juve. Thank you. Ju bëfshin mirë. It's a common Albanian expression for when you want to enjoy food. We say bon appetit. But it literally means may it do well to you, health-wise. Faleminderit. Ditë të mbar. Thanks. Have a great day. So that's the conversation. I have a list here of useful phrases for when you're in the market. The Albanian market, or tregu as we call it, is a lively place, full of sounds, colors, friendly people. When shopping, it's common to greet the vendors, ask about prices, and often chat a little, even if you're not going to buy something specific from that corner of the market. Albanian people love fresh local produce. We call it produkte fshati, village products. And buying from the market is a part of everyday life. This is why I thought this video would be helpful. So let's take a look at these useful phrases. Sa kushton kjo? How much is this? A general question. Sa kushton kjo? Dua 1 kilogram. I want 1 kilogram. Dua 1 kilogram, for when you want to order. A janë të freskta? Are they fresh? When you want to ask about the quality of the product. A janë të freskta? Është shumë shtrenjtë. It's very expensive, or it's too expensive, when you want to bargain. Është shumë shtrenjtë. And Albanians bargain a lot, okay? So you really need to learn this. Mund të më bëni një zbritje? Can you give me a discount? Mund të më bëni një zbritje? They will often give you a discount if you ask this question. Tregu është plot sot. The market is full today. A sentence of observation. Tregu është plot sot. It's usually helpful for just making small talk. Ku është peshorja? Where is the scale? Ku është peshorja? Some vendors at the market have the scale in a little corner where people can weigh things by themselves. Ku është peshorja? And ja ku I keni lekët. Here's the money. Literally, here you have the money. Ja ku I keni lekët, which is useful for paying, which you always need to do. That was our conversation at the market, në treg. Try repeating the phrases, especially the ones at the end, to practice your pronunciation. I will see you next time with another everyday Albanian dialogue. And remember, if you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com for one-on-one lessons, which you can find in the description below. Shihemi videon tjetër!